Oh, they are way up in here too. These flowers.
I never used a hot glue gun.
Me either. Back with another video.
Oh wait, sorry, I wasn't ready. I'm reading
Period. Oh, you was reading directions. What did it say to do?
We're gonna try. Figure it out.
Period. We're back. Period. Y'all saw the vision board.
And now we're doing a flower board.
We are.
Well, a flower war.
War. We are in war though. Shit.
But I'm not.
Say it war. Yeah, because I ain't.
Everybody that voted for him, y'all in war.
I ain't got nothing to do with me. So I ordered these flowers off Amazon and I thought they were gonna be big, you know, big flowers. These small as a, okay, just small. What is this? And you know what, they lied because it said large. Okay,
This is large to them.
this is large.
This is tiny right here.
So now we gotta reorder some big flowers. So today we're just gonna do half-ass.
It's not half-ass, it's half. So we're just gonna put the little ones in.
So
and
we're
then we'll
just
come back and put the large ones around.
and then we'll have a flower board completed. We don't know what colors we want yet for the big board. I mean for the big flowers because these are like
They're
multicolored. So I feel like
yellow, red, pink,
like a
pastel colors, spring light colors.
yeah, very springish.
There you go. But they're
We're gonna see what we could do. All right, so let's see. What is
cut
that
one off. So just push it.
Ooh.
That's enough, I think, though.
Oh.
So we're gonna cut.
You cut yourself already? Glue down, y'all, and glue down.
So let me glue it over this.
And glue
Cover
down
the hole.
Yeah, so this is gonna be cool.
You cut the whole thing off?
Yeah, I cut the whole stem, so yeah, where it has the hole.
See, that's what's it's catching my finger here. That shit hurt.
So we're just gonna glue these flowers like all over the board, and then whatever empty spots, we just fill them with the big ones. So what y'all been doing for y'all New Year's? What goals did y'all accomplish yet? What did y'all have, like,
It's a new decade, new era.
any goals that y'all had? I'm talking like they could instantly be.
Then comment down below.
Comment down below.
We'll respond.
We'll respond. Oh my god, you guys, we have a fun video coming. It's gonna be so, we had like, we recorded a video yesterday. It's gonna be so funny.
So, yeah.
So funny. I'm so mad at these fucking flowers, man. This is just like fucking a drop. Ain't nobody finna get burnt up for that shit.
I'm literally putting these flowers anywhere.
I know.
You telling me?
Yeah.
You have a
Yeah, I have a system going. Y'all, Ivy Park is about to fuck shit up.
I showed it. They don't give a fuck. It don't.
Like Beyonce's, let me tell y'all something. For as long as I've been like standing for like Beyonce, like that woman just never disappoints. And like anything that she does, it's just like you never know what she's gonna do next, and she surprises you every time. Like you're just like whoa. Like when she do something, you're just like whoa.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow.
and you be shook every time. Like it just
So
the excitement
shook.
is always there, and if not, it's always better each time.
So like Her PR box for the Ivy Park.
Come on, businesswoman.
That is the greatest thing. I've never really seen anybody, maybe other people have, but I have personally never seen anybody deliver like a whole closet full of clothes. And I know people, and I'm pretty sure people deliver like a whole collection to people, but it's how she did it.
Yeah.
Like her PR boxes.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
It was just unique. We watched her grow up, bro.
We did.
It's crazy. Now we finna watch her kids grow up. That's fucking wild. We finna watch her kids get old. Yeah, Audra got all my passwords. That's how lazy I am. Like, she got all my passwords. And speaking of, if y'all see something, it ain't always me, okay? Because people be thinking it's me on Twitter, but it ain't me. Right? It ain't me. It's not me. She gon' when she see this video, she gonna be like, I know you lying. Deep.
First of all, this glue stick lasted a long time.
It sure did. We didn't even have to get 2 packs. I'm gonna return it.
Yeah, you can run it on.
But what if we need it in the near future?
We will.
Yeah. So, we will. This is what this board looks like
For now.
This is second board. It's kind of beat up because, like, let me tell y'all something. This girl on the train yesterday, I was good getting from Brooklyn to Long Island. And, like, yeah, a whole nother island. And, like, whoa.
Ain't nothing wrong with Long Island.
And so Shorty kept like bumping into me, and I was like, alright. Like the box is right here now. Not even the box, the thing is right here. And like she kept bumping into it. And what happened? What happened, girl?
The damn dent, right?
I was asking myself.
I see. I heard you and I saw you look to the right and no one's on the right.
My brain was trying to talk to me. Trying to tell me to remember. Oh, yeah. So she backed into it and like I was like, okay. I don't remember too much, but
I can see it because you struggling.
But all I know is my memory is so bad, but all I know is the last time when she backed up into the board, she actually did this shit right here. Like she bent it up. Like I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like bend all the fucking way. See this shit? See it. But like she bent it, y'all. And the last time she backed up in it and it bent, I was like, okay, you need to move. Like basically telling her she needs to move because like a girl.
That was the funniest shit ever though.
That's why, because that's really how Beyonce sing her happy birthday, so.
It is.
That's sick. That is fucking sick.
She used to do it all the time at the fucking shows.
You doing the same fucking shit.
Same thing.
Again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Same old fucking shit.
But after she sung happy birthday to Kayla, bro, when I tell you we couldn't leave the Barclays Center because people kept stopping us like, oh, you was the girl that's Beyonce sung happy birthday to. I'm like, yeah, she is, and we're leaving. Let's go. Like, there was like, some girl was like, can I get a picture? And I was just like, what are you gonna fucking, she took the picture.
I would have too. I would have felt
but I was just
so
like,
famous.
where are you posting this? And what are you captioning?
She gonna be like, oh my God, this the girl Beyonce sung to. You know, I think
people do that. That's just,
you know, I was thinking about that on the toilet just now.
What?
That is, Beyonce probably be like, I know she really be like, I'm just human like you guys. And you know what? She just doesn't get it. Like, shut up. You don't get it. we started the process of the board. We're gonna get the big flowers and then we are going to fill in the area. So by the time you guys see this board next time, it will have the big flowers.
That's all.
That's all.
So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You'll really know what to do. We are filming some more. We got more for y'all. So make sure y'all turn the notification bell on. Peace out.